Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will try to discuss question number, I think, 3. First and second we have discussed in last class, and now it's time to discuss question number 3. So, without wasting time, we start the question 3. Question 3 saying that write the following set in roster form. We have discussed two types of representing set, roster form, and one other is a set builder form. And this says the roster form. This question is written in set builder form, and we have to convert this in roster form. So first question, a is equal to this x colon x is an integer, and this belong to -3 to 7. So start. So what is integer? First of all, we have idea about integer. Integer is a positive, it is a whole number including positive, negative, 0 and exclude decimal number. So first of all we write integer. Integer is a positive, negative and 0 number, 0 whole number exclude decimal number. Okay, so these are the integer. So we have to convert it into roster form. So answer is something like that. We have colon and it written in the commas with all the elements. So -3, these are the all whole numbers. So this should be integer. Okay, given the question, these are the integer. -3, -2, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exclude 7. There is in 7 there is no equal to sign, so we have to exclude 7. So this is the roster form of the first question. So what we have done, we have given these are the integer and integer which start from -3 to 7. So integer -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 to 6. We have not include decimal. This is the given in the question. Decimal number are not the integer. So these are the first question. And second question is say that x is a natural number less than 6. So first of all we have an idea about the natural number. Natural number are also integer, but they start from 1 and go infinite. We have a positive integer number in natural exclude 0. So natural number is also positive integer exclude 0. Okay, sorry, here I think these are the number. So natural number are the positive integer excluding 0. So natural number start, so we can say that the natural number start from 1. This is the trick. Natural number start from 1 because positive integer and excluding 0, so start from 1. So answer of second question, sorry, I think we have written something bit here. If we write here, so answer is equal to 1, 2, sorry, first of all curly bracket. This is the syntax of the writing set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is exclude. It is said that natural number less than 6 not include 6. This is the saying in the question. So we have to return 1 to 5, not the 6. 6 is the excluding. So now it's come to third. X is a 2-digit natural number. What is natural number? Start from 1 and whole number. Natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Sum of its digit. First of all, 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. So 2-digit start from 10. This we have an idea of basic 10 and till 99. These are the 2-digit natural number. So we have to think step by step. So first of all, we think 2-digit natural number between 10 to 20. So 10 to 20, if we think guess 50. If we 50, then 50 plus 5 digit sum, this is 6. So we have to go in a higher number. If we 60, if we think about 60, then the sum of digit is I think this 7. So if 70, then the sum of its digit is 7 is 8. So I think from 10 to 20 there is only 70 number. So if we write here, let's see. So 70 is the first, and for higher, if we think higher, 20 to 30, then I think 26 is the number, because sum of digit is 8. 6 plus 2 8. If we think 30 to 40, then 35. Similarly 40 to 50, 44. 50 to 60, 53. 60 to 70, 62. 70 to 80, 71, and last is 80 or 80 to 90, because 8 plus 0 is 8. So this is minimum. After that we go beyond this 81. So 8 plus 1 9. The sum is come to greater than the 8. So we have considered only this. Though this is the answer of this question. Third. Got it? So this is the example. I think I write here example. Think. Okay. So now to D part. Fourth question. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So first of all, what is a prime number? So prime number is a natural number greater than 1. Natural number. Prime number is a natural number greater than 1. Has no positive divisor other than 1 and itself. This is the positive prime number, and divisor is not other than 1 and itself. So here we can write prime number. Prime number is a natural number. Natural number. So the prime number is a natural number excluding 1 other than 1, which has divisor other than 1 and itself. No, which has no positive divisor other than 1 and itself. So which has no positive divisors other than 1 and itself. So these are the definition of prime number. So prime number is a natural number other than 1. Natural number start from other than, I think, greater than 1. Okay, so prime number is a natural number other than 1 which has no positive divisor other than 1 and itself. So like that prime number, if we think about 2, so 2 is divided by 1 and divided by 2 itself, and other is no such number from which it can be divided. So if we divide, then the denominator will become out 0. So something like that. So x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So and divisor is from which we divide, something like that. If we divide by 2 by 50 by 25, then 25 is divisor from which we divide, that is the divisor. So x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So prime number and divisor of 60 are 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 5. These are the divisor of prime number of 60. So now the question 5th, the set of all letter in the word trigonometry. So we have to write this in the roster form. So if we given English letter, then we have to write it in roster form to separate all the letter and separate by commas. So for 5th answer is T, R, I, G, O, N, O, M, E, T, R, Y. These are the roster form of this trigonometry. So if we given English word, then we have to convert this in roster form. We have to separate all the letter by commas. So now come to last question. This is same as above question. We have given English word and we have to convert it into roster form by separating all the letter commas. So for answer of 6 is B, E, T, E, R. So this is the set builder form of the better. So now question 4th. So 4th question is say that write the following set in the set builder form. So third question is the convert it into roster form from set builder form, and now it is a form of the roster form and we have to convert it into set builder form. So first question is 3, 6, 9, 12. So this is the fourth question and we have to convert it into set builder form. So what is set builder form? We have discussed that. So we have to write a fixed a property or definition which follow all of the element in the set. So if we think about this 3, 6, 9, 12, so we have to write one definition which follow all of the element in the set. So think like that. What we can write 3 is equal to 3 into 1, and what we can write 6 is equal to 6 into 3 into 2, and for 9 3 into 3, and for 12 3 into 4. So we have see a common pattern. This is multiple of 3 and start from 1, 2, 3, 4. This is table of 3 from 1 to 4. So how we can write set builder form of this question? So answer we can say that this is A equals to, we have to write first of all x colon x, and a fixed property of this we have seen if we multiply 3 and n, where n is natural number. I think n belong natural number, and n is from 1 to 4. If we write this 1 to 4, then this is correct form. So what it say, x is equals to 3 into n, means multiple of the 3, where n belong to natural number and n is between 1 to 4, like that 1, 2, 3, 4. So n is range from 1 to 4. So this is the multiple of the 3 and n is the natural number from 1 to 4. So this is the common property of this element which follow all of the element. So now it second question. So this is the 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So think about this. If we have to observe a common pattern to follow all of the element. So from 2 we have nothing to observe. If we think 4, then 4 is a multiple of 2 and if we 8, then 8 is 2, 2, 2, and 60 is also 2 till 4 times, and 32 multiplied by 2, I think around 5 times. So for 2 is a 2 into 1. So this is the something like that pattern. So from here we can say that the 2 is multiply, here 2 is multiplied by 1, and here 2 multiplied by 2 times, here 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So we can say that the 2, this is the power of the 2. Understood? So if we write here a definition clear, answer for this we assume B. So this would be x colon x equals to 2 to the power n, where n belong to integer, n belong to integer, and the range of this from 1 to 5, 1 to 5. So this is the pattern, this is range of n. So I think this collapse, so we can shift it here. So this is, so here multiply 2 1 time, here 2 multiply by 2 times, and this 3 4 5. So we have observed one common pattern. So 2 to the power n is the property of the element which follow all of the element in the set, and range of this 1 to 5. So we can write here in Kostak this like that. Okay, so now question third. This is 525, 126, and 625. So this is same as the previous question. What we have observed, this is the power of 5. This is 5 to the power 1, and 25, 5 to the power 2, and 125 is the 5 to the power 3, and 625 is the power of 4. So this is the power of the 5 from 1 to 4. So here we can write answer C is equal to x is 5 to the power n, where n belong to integer, and the range of n would be, I think 1 to 4, include all the bracket because this is the 1 to 4 range. And in fourth question 2 4 6, this is the table of 2. So what we have, we can say that what we have observed from here, so we can say that this is the multiple of 2. So we can observe this type of pattern. So we can 2 measure 2, write this, and 4 write this, sorry 2, and 6 we can write 2 into 3. So this is the pattern. So this is the multiple of 2. So here we can write answer is equal to of D part, sorry D here, x is equal to 2 multiply n, where n belong to natural number, and natural number symbol is capital N, something like that. So this is the pattern, and there is no limit, so that we can write n. So this is go till infinite, so we have no range. This is start from 1 because we are write natural number, so it is common that it is start from 1 and go till infinite. So this is the fourth part, and in last part what we have seen. So we can see that the pattern 1 is, from 1 we cannot predict, from 2 we can predict that this is the square of the 2, this, and from 9 we can observe that this is the square of the 3, and we can say from 4, this from 9, this 16 is the square of the 4, and 100 is square of 10. So something like that. This is the pattern of this question. So 1 is also square of the 1. We can write this way. So here answer of E is equal to x, and x equals to n to the power 2, where n is a natural number, n belong to natural number, and range of n is, we can say this range from 1 to 10. So this is the range of the n. So this is square, this pattern is square of the number. So 1 is square, 4 2 is square, 3 9 is 3 square, and 10 is, and 100 is the square of the 10. So in this way we have solved this question. So here is a common representation. We can represent natural number by capital N and integer by capital Z. So this is the way to we represent. Here we can write from natural number we can write the capital N, and here integer we can write the Z, and here also Z. So this you can substitute the value. So in this way we have covered third and fourth question. Thank you for today.